Hey everyone, and welcome back to Finance Flow Media, your go-to channel for making money while you sleep. Today, we're diving deep into 7 incredible passive income ideas that are actually working right now, especially as we head into this era. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes. These are real strategies to build lasting wealth and buy back your precious time. We've got something for everyone, from digital creatives to savvy investors, so stick around because you don't want to miss a single one. Let's jump right in. First up at number 1, and this is absolutely exploding in popularity for 2025, create and sell digital products. Think about it, templates, guides, planners, even AI prompts. Americans are spending millions monthly on instant download products from platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip. And guess what? You can create these too. Imagine crafting a beautiful budget planner for Notion, designing sleek resume templates that help people land their dream jobs, or even putting together AI prompt guides for freelancers looking to optimize their workflow. The cost to get started? Practically zero, maybe up to $50 for some premium tools. The best part? Once you upload them, they sell forever, even while you're asleep, generating income without you lifting another finger. Here's a pro tip. Use super user-friendly tools like Canva or ChatGPT to design your products quickly, then upload them to a marketplace like Etsy and market them on platforms like TikTok or Pinterest to reach a massive audience. It's truly a set-it-and-forget-it income stream once you get it rolling. Coming in at number 2, we have the new gold rush, YouTube automation channels. You might be thinking, but I don't want to show my face. And that's the beauty of it. You don't have to. These channels combine AI voiceovers, high-quality stock footage, and smart storytelling to create engaging content. Channels like Investing School or Success Mindset are raking in anywhere from $5,000 to $30,000 a month in ad revenue alone. Tools like Pictory, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and Canva for graphics make the process almost 100% automated. To maximize your earnings, focus on niches like finance, motivation, or technology. These typically have the highest US CPM rates. YouTube pays around $15 to $45 per thousand views in the finance niche, for example. You upload once, and that video keeps paying you for years to come. It's like having a digital employee working for you around the clock. Our third incredible idea is affiliate marketing. This is all about recommending products and services you genuinely believe in and earning a commission when someone signs up or buys through your unique link. You don't need to own any products yourself. Think big names like Amazon or financial services like Robinhood or Webull. Every time someone signs up or makes a purchase using your special link, you earn a cut. For example, you could promote finance tools like budgeting apps or even high-value credit cards. Some finance affiliates pay anywhere from $50 to $200 per sign-up. That's some serious money. To get started, focus on creating helpful content. Think tutorials, comparisons, or honest reviews. Remember, Americans love trustworthy recommendations from real people way more than a hard sell. Build that trust, and the income will follow. At number 4, if you have knowledge, you can build an automated online course. Seriously, if there's something you're good at, something you're passionate about, or something you've learned, you can turn that expertise into a valuable online course. Imagine teaching others about budgeting, how to repair their credit, or sharing your secrets to building successful side hustles. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy handle all the heavy lifting for you, hosting your course, processing payments, and even delivering the content. You create it once, and then your course can sell hundreds of times a year, generating income passively. Here is a bonus tip. Combine your course with organic traffic drivers like YouTube videos or TikToks. Create short, engaging content that teases your course material and watch the enrollments roll in without constant effort. It's a fantastic way to leverage what you already know. Moving on to number 5, we have real estate crowdfunding. For a long time, real estate investing felt exclusive, only for the super rich, but not anymore. With innovative crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul, you can invest in real estate with as little as $10. Yes, you heard that right, $10. You earn a share of the rental income and the property appreciation, making it a completely passive income stream. These platforms have a proven track record, paying consistent annual returns of 5 to 12%, even when the market has its ups and downs. Here's a pro tip for maximizing your returns. Reinvest your earnings every single month. That's how the magic of compound growth truly builds significant wealth over time. It's an accessible way to get into real estate without the headaches of being a landlord. Next up, at number 6, is a timeless passive income stream, dividend stock investing. This strategy is simple yet powerful. You buy shares of stable, well-established companies that regularly pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. These are called dividends. Think of giants like Coca-Cola, Apple, or Johnson & Johnson. Just for holding their stock, you earn regular payouts. The average yield typically ranges from 3 to 6% annually. To make this even more passive and powerful, use apps like Robinhood or Public to automate the reinvestment of your dividends. This means those payouts automatically buy more shares, leading to even more dividends down the line. That's how small amounts, consistently reinvested, grow into a serious income over time. It's a classic strategy for a reason. It works. And finally, our 7th idea, and truly the wave of the future, AI automation businesses. In 2025, AI is not just a buzzword. It's the next frontier for passive income. People are building entire businesses powered by AI that practically run themselves. We're talking about smart chatbots, AI-driven content services, and automated tools. You can create AI-based digital assistants using powerful tools like the ChatGPT API or by connecting different applications with Zapier. Then, you can sell these solutions on platforms like Fiverr, and guess what? They keep earning for you passively. The best part? You don't even need to be a coder. It's all about learning how to connect these incredible tools. The demand for AI solutions is absolutely exploding, and early creators in this space are earning big. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Alright, here's the truth about passive income. It's not about quitting your job tomorrow or becoming an overnight millionaire. It's about buying back your time, gaining financial freedom, and building a life with more choices. My best advice? Start small. Pick just one of these ideas that resonates with you, commit to it for 90 days, and stay consistent. You won't see thousands of dollars overnight, but within a year, that one stream can grow into a significant source of real financial freedom. Remember these 3 golden rules. Rule number 1, always reinvest your income to maximize growth. Rule number 2, never rely on just one source. Diversify your passive income streams. And rule number 3, be patient. The best money, the most sustainable wealth, comes slowly and stays longer. So out of these 7 incredible passive income ideas, which one are you most excited to start with? I'd love to know. Drop a comment below. I read every single one. If you got value from this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more smart money ideas every single week. This is Finance Flow Media, helping you make money while you sleep. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.